Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date and time. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers. So now we can freely tap on the other options. So let's start with the date. After tapping on it, we will have this calendar from which we can choose the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. It will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here we've got also the time zone. Just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here we've got the full section with the full list of available regions. So just find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here we can also change the time format. So right now we've got the 12-hour format, and after tapping on the switcher we can set the 24-hour one. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings, so those which are automatic, just by tapping on all of those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.